real quick. The pigmentation on this palette, it's so bomb. Like, yo me quedé like, yo, era seguilla. Like, Corillo, bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna do this beautiful look. Okay, we got some neon orange, we got some gold tones, we got some brown tones, we got some yellow tones or like mustard tones, and some bomb highlight. First of all, I want to shout out my sister. Give a shout out to my sister because she's the one who hooked me up with this palette. Like, again, you guys know that I love Pinky Curvy. Her name is Isadora Nieves, I think it is. And she now started making these products. Her first product was or her merchandise was a highlight that I loved. And then now she came out with this beautiful palette called Baby Summer, and Summer is her daughter, so she named this palette name after her daughter. And look at the beautiful palette right here. This one retails, I think, for $42 or $51, and we got shimmers and mattes. We have 3 shimmers, and then we have 7 mattes. So, and they're all beautiful. Like, look at how, like, let's just take a moment real quick. Like, yes. Okay, all right. And then I ended up making this look, so if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.